Very good. You could see my hand. Okay. Hi. Welcome to this new English class. I'm gonna be today we're gonna be checking a topic related with linguistics number two. Okay. So for this topic, I'm gonna be using this simple piece of paper, but because we are gonna be using something that is called the syntax tree. Okay. I'm gonna be writing up right here. That is going to be the I know that you can see it like in a mirror, pero aquí dice syntax tree. I don't know if it's going to be possible to move the image. Just give me a sec. Okay, after I complete it, I'm gonna be taking a photo of this. I'm gonna be sharing in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so I'm sorry if you can see it right here, but I'm pretty sure that after you see the video and you just check the image, it's going to be pretty understandable for you. Okay, so the syntax tree is going to be part of the sentences where we are going to be just modifying to them into different parts of the language. Okay, so for this one, we are going to be using morphemes. We are going to be using some parts of the speech that are going to be determiners, subjects, noun, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, etc. Okay, so so far the family syntax tree, it has a different kind of ways to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing right here a sentence that it says, I don't know if you remember the movie The Lion King. Scar is the lion, the bad lion from the movie. Killed Mufasa, right? So I know it's I don't know if you can see it um in the way that it's supposed to be, but right here I can see it very well. Okay, so the sentence said Scar killed Mufasa. Okay, so everything right here. So if we are going to be separating right here, we just have something that is called the syntax tree. So the S is going to be for the sentence. Okay, so this is going to be the sentence right here. This is a pretty common and pretty simple way to understand it. So I'm gonna be putting another example to you, but as a homework. Okay, so we just have Scar killed Mufasa. In English, as in Spanish, I don't know if you remember when you were in elementary school, you had this bicolor that is supposed to be red and blue, and you were underlying the verb, I mean the noun and the predicate. Okay, so we are gonna be doing the same thing because we are gonna be separating but MP, that is going to be the noun phrase. In other words, this one is going to be the subject. And right here, we are gonna be putting the verb and predicate. I don't know if you remember in Spanish what is a predicate, but the subject is going to be the one that refers, or all the action that is happening in the sentence refers to someone. So it is going to be, and as I said, the noun phrase, the MP, the noun phrase, that is going to be the subject. So when we are separating it, we are gonna be dividing it. Just give me a sec, I'm sorry. So we are gonna be dividing it into different ways. So right here, we in the syntax tree, we have the noun. So the noun right here is going to be Scar. Okay, as a part of the noun phrase. And so far, this is everything that we have. In a moment, I'm gonna be doing another one so you can understand it a little bit better. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see very well, but anyway, I know that you can see it, and I don't know if you can see it in the way that it's supposed to be. So right here, we are gonna be separating because we have two different parts of the speech. So right here we have killed. That is, this is part of the predicate that is going to be everything that is happening around the noun phrase, around the subject. So killed is going to be the verb, right? And Mufasa, that is going to be part of of the predicate, is going to be another noun. So right here, as said, this is not exactly the main thing or the main or the one that we are talking about in the sentence. So in this case, this is going to be a predicate that is going, I mean, the object that is going to be Mufasa. So far, the letter N that it represents Mufasa is going to be another very simple example. And this is going to be a simple way that we are going to be just doing the syntax tree. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting an example. I'm gonna put the machine is red. Okay, so right here, right here it said, right here, the machine is red. Okay, one more time. We just have right here the sentence, and we're gonna be separating it by noun phrase and predicate. So far, hasta aquí, hasta donde dice, the machine is going to be el sujeto, and this part is going to be the predicate. So one more time, we separate, okay? So in this case, we have two different words. And the noun phrase, we just have two different words. So in this case, it could be separated into two. So in this case, this is going to be the determiner, okay? And this is going to be the subject, determiner and subject. So we just put the line right here, and we are going to be understanding that these two parts of the noun phrase is going to be everything that we have. So we have that machine. If we just have some, for example, adjectives or adverb, we're supposed to be moving them, but we are going to be going deeper into that part. And in the verb phrase, we just have two different parts. I mean, the predicate, we just have two words that we have is and red. Okay. So right here, I'm sorry, this is my cat. It moved my camera. So I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that. My cat just moved right here. I don't know why he did that. Okay, so bueno, de hecho creo que me quedó mejor la cámara aquí. Okay, so it's red. We just have two different parts. So we, in this case, as in the previous example, we are not completely talking about another object. So in this case, we are just using an adjective to describe how the machine is. Okay, so in this case, in the part of the verb phrase, we just have a verb that is going to be is, and we have an adjective that is describing how the machine is. Okay, so I know it sounds like a little bit complicated because we need to know a little bit of terms. So we are gonna be going deeply into this because it's very important to understand what the syntax tree is. So I'm gonna be giving you some examples of sentences. I'm gonna I'm gonna be giving you three, and you are gonna be, of course, creating sentences using the syntax tree in a piece of paper. Okay, so if you have any doubt about this, just let me know it, and I'm gonna be sending you a picture of this. So yes, basically this is going to be what we are gonna be checking in linguistics through. So if you have any doubt, just let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.